Now, we are gonna teach you a song that we play with cups. All you need is a plastic cup and a table. The sounds are hand on the table, the second sound is cup on the table. Once again. Third sound. Hand hits the cup. Now, it's the finger hitting the base of the cup. And the last sound is dragging the cup. These are the 5 sounds of the song. The sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first part. Let's go to the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, first and second parts. Once you have learned the rhythm, you can increase the speed, like this. Faster. And faster. Good! Did you like it?